Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Devon Holland, and today I want to share with you one of my favorite nutrition made easy post-workout meals, mushroom spinach wrap. Now, this is a high performance meal. It's going to help you recover and give you all the essential nutrients that your body needs in order for you to perform for the entire day. All right, let's get started with putting the pan on, some virgin olive oil. We're gonna put the heat on high. We want those mushrooms to simmer. Get those on. Then we're also going to put the pot of black beans on for prep. All right, now we're gonna cut up the mushrooms. All right, mushrooms are one of my favorite foods. They're definitely one of my top 5. And the great thing about mushrooms is they contain a modest amount of fiber and over a dozen minerals and vitamins, including copper, potassium, magnesium, zinc, and a number of B vitamins, such as folate. And mushrooms are also high in antioxidants. Very good quality food, and as a vegetarian, I use them quite often. I use them all the time in many different dishes. Next, we're going to cut up the shallots. Now, shallots are a type of onion that are particularly rich in minerals, vitamins, and trace elements. They also contain phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, manganese, iron, and copper. I really like the flavor that it adds to this meal, and I like to add it to many different meals as well. We're going to start with adding the minced garlic. Garlic tends to be very strong, and it does add a lot of flavor to this meal, which I like, but I don't use it very often, but it does work really well with this meal. So after that, we're going to add in the Himalayan salt and the Italian seasonings. Now, these 3 for me seem to work perfect. They're very common food items, very common seasonings that we all have in our refrigerator and cabinets. So that's one of the reasons why I use these, because I just pick items that were there and available for me. Spinach is also one of those foods. Now, this leafy vegetable is rich in water-soluble vitamins, fat-soluble vitamins, minerals, and a wide variety of phytonutrients. Grape tomatoes are also very common in the refrigerator and adds a lot of flavor and texture to the meal. So we're going to go ahead and stir that up and get it ready for the tortilla. Now, this only takes a few minutes, so just know that 10 minutes is a pretty accurate estimate for how long it takes to make this meal. Again, very common food items that you probably have in your cabinet and refrigerator right now. So this is one of the reasons why I like this meal and why I make it almost every week. Now, let's not forget to add a little squeeze of lemon. It does add some flavor to the tortilla and to the meal. So don't forget to do that. Now, for those that aren't really good at folding up tortillas, here's a very simple technique that I use all the time. I fold, tighten it up, and then I tuck the edges in, and then go ahead and finish rolling it up. Very simple, basic way to roll up a tortilla. It seems to work perfect every time. Alright, that's it. Another great meal to add into your repertoire, your recipes. Go ahead and try that out. Let me know what you think. Go ahead and put that in the comment area. If you haven't subscribed and you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys soon. Thanks.
what you put.